How to use ChatGPT to write bios. ChatGPT can assist in writing bios in the following ways. 1. Gathering information. ChatGPT can ask questions about the subject's background, accomplishments, and interests to help gather information for the bio. This can help ensure that the bio is accurate and informative. 2. Providing structure and formatting. ChatGPT can offer suggestions on how to structure and format the bio, including what to include in each section and how to make the bio easy to read and engaging. From novoresume.com. 3. Offering writing tips. ChatGPT can provide writing tips and advice on how to make the bio more engaging and persuasive. This can include tips on how to use language effectively, how to highlight the subject's accomplishments, and how to use storytelling to make the bio more interesting. 4. Editing and polishing. ChatGPT can review and edit the bio, providing feedback on structure, style, and content. This can help ensure that the bio is well written and free of errors. However, it's important to note that while ChatGPT can provide valuable assistance, the final product should still be reviewed by a human to ensure that it accurately represents the subject and effectively conveys their accomplishments and personality. Additionally, it's important to keep in mind the intended audience for the bio and tailor it appropriately to ensure that it effectively communicates the subject's strengths and achievements.